The story of Crispin could easily be titled The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. Phase one is absolutely the good. On the left, you'll see the 1963 auditorium many of you sat in as students, and the beautiful Dunham Auditorium that exists today. The difference is striking. Gone are the blackboards, replaced by whiteboards that circle the room. Gone are the rows, replaced by furniture that moves with students from small groups back to classroom discussions. Gone too is that stationary case at the front, blocking professors from their students. Now those professors move about the room, engaging with individuals and with groups. And the list goes on. This room is rarely empty. After classes are done for the day, it's full of student groups, study pods, and special events. Phase one has been a huge success. And now we must turn our attention to finishing this project to address what is bad and what is ugly. Because there's power in space and in place. As you see tonight, it is time to align Crispin Hall with our vision to inspire student achievement and empower them to make a difference in the world.
The national literature is clear. Technology-rich spaces that allow for this kind of collaborative and active learning from faculty engaged in mentoring students makes all the difference in the capacity of students to be successful, both while they are on campus and when they graduate. Before the pandemic, I would have been standing in front of you saying that flexible learning spaces rich in technology are the ideal. It's what we've been striving toward. Post-pandemic or amidst the pandemic, these technology-rich spaces are an educational imperative, and we cannot be left behind. Our promise to students is that they will graduate ready. They will graduate ready for personal and professional success. And I have to say out loud that we are not yet fulfilling that promise through their experience in Crispin Hall, and that has to change.
When you step into Crispin Hall, you're taking a walk back in time. Other than where I'm standing now, which I still remember as the lecture hall, it's now the beautiful Dunham Auditorium. But otherwise, Crispin is basically the same building that my wife, Betsy, and I took classes in nearly 50 years ago. I can close my eyes and see Professors Mann and Pilcher and Filson. And I'm sure that each of you can visualize many other professors that you had classes with in this building. It hasn't changed much. And it's aged a lot. So the trustees have determined that it's time to renovate this building, so our faculty and students can have the 21st century learning environment spaces they need for today and beyond. I often think of the history of Illinois College, nearly 200 years old now. And for those 200 years, generous friends of the college have provided the financial resources that it is needed to build buildings, support programs, and educate students. Each generation has had to step up to ensure that IC will continue to educate the following generation of students. It's now our turn. Individual trustees and senior leaders of the college have already begun investing in the Crispin project. And now we are asking you for your help. Maybe you would want to honor a professor or mentor from your days on the hilltop. You could help fund a classroom, a lab, or a faculty office. Any and all help will be appreciated. But you can also help us by spreading the word about this project to friends, classmates, and other potential contributors. Any doors you can open to help us with this project will be greatly appreciated.
As I say everywhere I go, Illinois College's vision is to build an international reputation that inspires achievement and empowers students to make a difference in the world. Inspiring Achievement, the campaign for Illinois College, is and has been laser focused on raising funds in support of this bold vision for IC students and the college's future.